Hello KG2, this is Pushta Chajua again with a new lesson. Today we will cover page number 16, 17 and first part of page number 18. Let's start. Alright, sounds are there and you can see the pictures also. Let's start. Socks, socks, the dog, orange, orange, ring, ring, fish, fish, igloo, monkey, monkey, lamp, lamp, umbrella, umbrella. Now there are sounds with words on page number 17. Let's start. S for sun, S for sun, D for dog, D for dog, O for on, O for on, R for rat, R for rat, F for fan, F for fan, E for in, E for in. Next page. M for man, M for man, L for leg, L for leg, A for up, A for up. That's all for today. If you have any problem or query, you can contact me on my email address. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.